Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin Cash, for which an update was severely needed. There were rumors I saw in the comments that Bitcoin Cash wrecked me, which it hasn't, but it's been a very bad trade for me and for some others as well. Personally, I shorted this around 140, so down here. All right. Now I'm still in the trade, and my liquidation price, because I'm trading without a stop loss, which I'm never going to do again after this, but sometimes with manipulated cryptos, which Bitcoin Cash is, I do that. But my liquidation price is around 1100, and I can get it up to like 2000. So I still think long term this is a great trade, because Bitcoin Cash, the project itself, it's dead. All right, so I still think it's a great trade. On the short term though, the trade is absolutely wrecked. So in this video, I just wanted to give you my honest opinion, because right now, if we're just taking a look objectively at the price, we're still very bullish. Yesterday, with the bearish news for Bitcoin, we dropped down to 275, around the 236 fib, but we held that, got a lot of bullish momentum, and even now, I mean, we dropped down to that level once more, but we're still holding that. And overall, all of the resistance levels we broke above, so that started with 190, and then 220, and then 240, 250, and now not really any level, like perhaps 275. All of these levels we have stayed above, and until we get a bearish breakout, we will still be bullish. So at this point of time, I would say the most likely scenario is that we'll actually move up to 350, and 400 could also be possible, because I mean, with coins like these, you just don't know. If you take a look at Bitcoin Cash right now, like first of all, Bitcoin Cash was very manipulated on its own, and that was visible. If you take a look at the volume, you can see that almost $1 billion, and more than 30% of the volume comes from UpBit. Usually when that happens, we are manipulated, especially also with this volume coming from all of these other smaller exchanges, which most people haven't heard of. So it was manipulated, but then yesterday we also got a bit of bullish momentum from those older cryptos. So XEC, for example, BSV, Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, Neo, Maker, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, Ethereum Proof of Work even. So we got that, and with that bullish momentum, we actually got that new push for Bitcoin Cash, which also created a little bit of a, I don't know, narrative. Sometimes these older cryptos rally after Bitcoin in some sort of a bull market sequence. So if you follow that sequence, the next cryptos that should rally are Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, because the meme coins are always third. But I still think it's more manipulated than anything. So at this point of time, the main thing we're looking at is this level right here around 275. The moment we get a bearish breakout through 275, then I think there's actually a chance of crashing. Because if we drop down below that level, sure, there's a lot of support at 245, but that is a bearish breakout. And that is the first sign of a reversal. And I would say that the first sign of a reversal right now, also with the news that Celsius is going to sell, or at least convert a lot of their BCH holdings, which currently only have a value of about 15 million, so it's not that much, but it's selling pressure. With that, I would say that's enough to get a reversal, but until that period of time, so while we're still above 275, I would say we're bullish, and I would say the most likely scenario is actually that we will break above 300 and move up towards 350, and then from there 390. At this point of time, I still think that's the most likely scenario, because this is what you have to assume until it's disproven, right? So until we get that bearish breakout, I will follow it closely. I have to, like I said, I have a trade on it, but I will follow it closely. Let me know if you want daily updates on this, because that might be handy. But for now, that's my take. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.